Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17 on Oracle Linux 10.0. Okay, so open the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 17.5. Click on download, then select Linux, then select Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux, and see here PostgreSQL M repository supports on RHEL, Rocky, Alma or Fedora, also Oracle. If you go to platform, there you will find, see here we have the Oracle Linux version 10. Okay, so select the version of the PostgreSQL 17, then select the architecture. I am on Oracle Linux 10, then select the version. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. So install these commands one by one. So copy these commands one by one and execute. Open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now disable if there are any inbuilt PostgreSQL modules. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Then install PostgreSQL Server. Control A, sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17 -server. If you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install 15, give the 15. Okay, so I want to install 17, then give -server, hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server version, latest version, that is 17.5, and these dependencies, and this is the download size. Okay, so type A and hit enter. Type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A, verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. If you give like this, it won't work. We have to give -17. Okay, this is the way. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is not started. But before starting, we have to initialize the database. So execute this command. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. See, it is initializing the database. Now start the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Also enable. See, now verify. See, PostgreSQL Server is started 12 seconds ago and it is enabled. Okay, Q to it. See here we have the, again run this status. See, this is the data directory and these are the background processes: logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum, launcher. Okay, Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server. This is not the PostgreSQL Server version, it is the PSQL client version. So to get the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.5. Okay, the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for this Postgres user, which is a super user. So first verify list of users /du, or you can run the select username from pg_user. See, we have only one user. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. See, we have successfully set the password for Postgres user. Control A. Now verify the list of the databases /l or C. These are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Or you can get the same by running select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Let us create database. Create database Verify again. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database in PostgreSQL Server, we have to use \c or connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this is the owner of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Control A. Now create user. Create user with password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify. See, we have created user. Now exit from the PostgreSQL which we have logged in by using the Postgres. To exit, we have to run the command \q. Now connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user PSQL-u. You must be caps. Username is David-d Postgres-h localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this machine. If it is installed on some other PC, we have to provide the host name of that PC. Hit enter, then provide the password of this David user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. See, we have successfully logged in. Verify. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully logged into the PostgreSQL server with this user. Now switch to the database that we have created. \c, then database name. Now try to run the query against the table that we have created. Select star from customer. See, permission denied for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Oracle Linux server 10.0. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user, so exit from this Postgres user. Now run the sudo systemctl PostgreSQL-17. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, quit, Control A. Now also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So exit from the Postgres user, start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL-17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 2 seconds ago. See here, it is running and active. Quit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL-17. Verify again. See, PostgreSQL is restarted 2 seconds ago. Quit. Control E. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using most popular tools like pgadmin or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both pgadmin or dbeaver on Oracle Linux server. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.